So this is the very first hot dog I've put on my solar cooker. We're about to take it off to eat it. I'm going to hand the camera over to Miss Melanie, who can document the situation better. This is a hot dog. Melanie, can you get some of the juices that are down there?
I can't really see anything.
Yeah, it's super bright. Here's what remains of the hot dog. Gonna put it on the bun. It's back in the solar cooker. I'm gonna take a bite. Oh yeah, that hot dog is hot. Here, let Melanie take a bite.
Well, not if it's super hot.
Come on.
How hot is it?
I don't know, take a bite.
I can't burn my... Squirted at me.